Hey guys, Tiffany here, and we're going to start off by moisturizing our lips with Carmex. And then I'm going to go into Clinique's Moisture Surge and just hydrate my face before I apply my makeup. Next, I'm going in with AVH's Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. So next I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm just going to apply that underneath my brows as a highlight. And this just helps to improve the shape of the brow. So now I'm applying LA Girl's Pro Conceal in the shade Light Yellow Corrector. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that on out. Next we're going in with MAC's eyeshadow in the shade Omega. And once that's blended in, we're going to go in with MAC's Brown Down. And we're going to darken it even more with MAC's eyeshadow in the shade Smut. And as if that crease isn't already dark enough, we're going to go in with MAC's eyeshadow in the shade Carbon. So now I'm going back in with that yellow corrector and using this as a base for my cut crease. So next we're going in our Mario Badescu spray, and we're just going to spray our brush to apply the MAC eyeshadow in the shade Sumptuous Olive. So I'm going back in with Carbon, and I'm also taking my gel eyeliner to take that cut crease down a bit. I didn't like how high it went, and yeah, I had to correct that. I'm taking my Liquid Sugar by Eye Candy, and I'm using that as a base for my glitter. And the glitter I'm using today is from Coastal Scents. I'm gonna go back in with Carbon and darken up the outer part of the eye. So I'm going in with a very dramatic long lash today, as you can see. So next I'm going in with MAC's Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light. I'm going to use that as a primer, but it also gives a very beautiful glow underneath the foundation. We're going in with Estee Lauder's Double Wear, and I'm in the shade 5W1. So I'm taking the Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Next, I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige. Today we're going for a very full coverage look, so I am not sparing any foundation and concealer. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. And as if that highlight is not light enough, we're going to go in with LA Girl's Pro Concealer, and I'm going to take that light yellow corrector and use it as a highlight. So next I'm going in with Milk Setting Powder. I'm just going to set my face. And next I'm going in with ABH Cream Contour Kit. I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face. So to tone everything out and blend it in, I'm going to go into my Studio Fix powder in the shade NC43, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. So next I'm going in with my Mario Badescu spray, and we're going to go ahead and set all of the powders that we just applied. I'm taking my mascara and trying to blend those very long lashes in with my natural ones. Now we're going to do some highlighting. I'm going in with MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Show Gold. Look at me, I think I'm cute. So next I'm going in with the Urban Decay blush in the shade Quiver. And we're going to work underneath the eye. I'm going to go back in with MAC's Brown Down, and then I'm going to blend it in with MAC's Carbon. So I'm going in with Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner. And I'm going to spray my brush and go back in with Sumptuous Olive and just pop that in the inner corners of my eye. So now we're going in with MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner. And now I'm going in the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. And we're just going to go ahead and blend everything out. And there you have it. That is my finished look for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do, and I'll see you in my next one.